Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today's video is a huge Amazon stationery haul. I'm so excited to share a lot of cute, nice stationery with you guys. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Now let's get started. Before going into the haul, I want to share two things. First, these are the stationeries that I've been collecting from Amazon for the past few months, and I'm just sharing it like a collective Amazon haul in one single video. And it's just not something that I just bought in one go. And the next thing is, I will leave a links of all the products that I will be showing in this video in the description box below. Do check out the links in the description if you want more details about the price and everything. Now let's begin. Okay, first let's start with this daily planner from Nourish brand, and it says make today great. This planner is really good. It is very good quality, it's affordable, and it can be used on a daily basis to plan briefly every single day. Next up, I got this Cello Color Up Celebration Kit. It's for 149 rupees and it has 12 sketch pens, 12 wax crayons, 12 oil pastels and one activity book and a gel pen, one eraser, one scale and one mechanical pencil. Can be a very good option for gifting to children to encourage them to study and engage in arts and crafts. Next, I've got this 365 coloring book and it has 365 pages to color. Again, this is a very good option for kids to color one page every single day throughout the year. It is also really affordable and be a nice engaging activity and a hobby for children. Next up is this book called Crushing It, and it's by Gary Vaynerchuk and it's like a part 2 of his previous edition. And then I have this coloring book and it's from this brand called Solimo, which is a own brand of Amazon, I believe. They have different variants of coloring books available and I went with patterns. So coloring is a really therapeutic and relaxing activity. Next up, I've got this Color Up pencils, which has 24 color pencils. It's from the brand Cello and I got this to use it for my coloring book. I have colored this with these pencils only. As you can see, the quality is really nice and the color payoff is also pretty good. Next, I've got this Getting Things Done, The Art of Stress-Free Productivity by David Allen. It's one of the popular book in the productivity category and I really wanted to read this. I just started reading it here and there. Next one is the new 1 Minute Manager. So it's a book about managing our work and life. So one of my goals for 2022 is to have a work-life balance. So I just got this book for that. I don't know if it will be helpful or not, but I just want to give it a shot because it's just tiny and I thought it might be an easy read. Let's see. Next, I've got this 5 subject premium notebook from the brand called Luxor and it is really big and I really like it. And I got this book for have it like for a dedicated book notes, like whatever I read from my books, like my learnings and like a summary and everything. I'll just write it in this notebook just for my reference so that I just don't want to read the whole book again. So that is the intention of this notebook. So I've got another notebook which is Classmate 6 subject notebook. When it comes to 5 subject or 6 subject notebook, Classmate is my go-to choice. They have a very good quality notebooks available and I got this in combo offer with along with this Classmate ball pens. It's just amazing. Now only I've used it for the very first time and I really like it. I got this book which is called Time Management by the author Brian Tracy. I've already read it. It's a really nice easy read sort of a book and it is filled with a lot of very valuable tips on time management that can give a lot of insights to how we can manage our time well and in a better way possible. And then I have this book called Crush It. Just completed this book last year, which is 2021. And this book gives a lot of motivation. It gives that kickstart motivation, push that inspiration to us to just start with our side hustle, like to go with our passion or everything. I just bought it to get some motivation for YouTube and I got a lot from this book. Next, I have this beautiful notebook from the brand called Laurette Blanc and the quality of the notebook is so good. I use it for my journaling session. Next, I got this book called Deep Work. This rules for focused success in a distracted world. So this book focuses on the deep work and why deep work is rare, important, and which is what essential and valuable this period of time than doing shallow work. If you're constantly distracted and if you're doing like a shallow work and just not fully focusing on your task and doing some deep work, this book can really help you to know what is deep work and it can help you to implement deep work into your day-to-day life. This book is also really amazing and I will definitely recommend. Next one is another planner which is a daily planner from the Laurette Blanc. So I have shared the 2 daily planners that is available from Amazon in my recent video. You can check that video. I will leave a link for that video in the description box and I button as well. It's about 2 daily planners that I have shown in this video. Do check out that video if you want to have a detailed flip through on how you can use it and everything. Next one is kind of like a luxury purchase for me, which is a Stabilo Boss highlighter. It's a kind of expensive highlighter for me. I went with the combo of 4 highlighters and it's a pastel variant. It was definitely worth the hype. It is so much more amazing. I totally like this. Next, I've got this brush pen set from Camlin and it contains 24 shades and it has 12 shades and 6 shades variant also, I believe. These are only brush pens that I use. I haven't tried other brands, but as far as I'm using it, the quality of this brush pen is really nice. Brush pens can be used for lettering and line work and everything, but as I'm not an artistic person, I just don't use it for brush lettering and stuff. I just use it like any other sketch pen and it just does the job for me. I really like it. The color payoff and the quality and just the way it is, I really like it. Next, I got this Camlin painting kit and as the name suggests, it has a lot of things that's related to painting. Like first we have a drawing book which is of really good quality and I've been using this drawing notebook as a swatch notebook to swatch all the colors of the sketch pens and pens that I have, just for the reference. Then we have watercolors, wax crayons and also glitters. So it is really good if you are into painting and drawings and everything. What I would say is that it is really good for kids and children. Next up is this laptop work table from the brand called Mimfo, which I recently shared in my video. I shared a dedicated video for that because I totally like this table so much. It is very much useful and also it looks cute and stylish. Next one is my most favorite product, which is this standing to-do list notepad, which is from the brand Nourish. And we can write a lot of to-dos using this notepad, and this is my favorite tool to increase my productivity. Whenever I have a lot of things to do, I will just brain dump in this to-do list notepad and just keep it standing so that I can see it visibly what is going on and everything. So this one really increased my productivity to the next level and I highly recommend this notepad if this notepad excites you and just feels like it can be a right fit for you. Next is another kit which is like a Apsara Scholars kit and it's just for ₹99 and it has like a lot of pencils, crayons, sharpener, eraser and everything. What I would say is that it is value for money if we can buy in this like combo of so that we can give to kids and children one by one as they use it. It's value for money and also it is like a very nice gifting option for kids for their birthdays or any special days. You can gift them. It will be really useful and a thoughtful gift for them. They want to use the pencils on a daily basis in their school and everything. Wax crayon inside it's not of very good quality. The pencils and everything are really nice. Next I have this Artline calligraphy pen. Again, I don't know calligraphy. I'm not an artistic person. Bought it to use it like a regular pen. Basically, I use black pens a lot. That's why I bought it. And it is my second purchase because it has a set of 4 pens. And I totally love this pens. Another trending book which is hyped a lot, which is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. I just thought I would read this sometime later. Next, I've got this book which is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. It's this beautiful cover design. Next, this is an old book and I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's a Topper Study Hacks. I got it while I was studying for my exams. It really helped me a lot in order to plan out stuff and just to prepare for my exams. It covers a lot of different aspects in preparing for our exams. The next book is The Power of a Positive Attitude. It says Your Road to Success. It's by the author Roger Fritz. Just bought a lot of books basically and this one is for the positivity in it. So I am a big believer of positivity and I just love everything about positivity. So I just thought, let me try this book. Next one is this book called The 4-Hour Work Week, Escape the 9 to 5, Live Anywhere and Join the New Rich. This is one of my books that I want to read 2022. If you watch my Plan With Me 2022 video, you might have known already. To be honest, I'm literally scary to just start reading this book just because of its size. It was recommended by a lot of content creators all around the world, so I just wanted to try it. That's it. With that, the stationery haul came to an end. So I will leave a link of all the products that I've shown in this video in the description box below, and let me know which one is your favorite from this haul in the comment section below. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.